Imagine finding one value among 50,000 rows in just a few seconds. Replacing hundreds of mistakes with a single click. Reorganizing your worksheet without breaking your data. And making sure every report is free from spelling errors before you share it. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to do all of that, like an Excel professional. Let's get started. Welcome back to GSF Tech. In part 1, we learned the essential editing tools including undo, redo, enter, edit, copy, cut, paste, and paste special. Today, we're taking the next step by learning tools that will help you search faster, organize better, and create professional worksheets with confidence. Let's jump into Excel. Topic 1. Find, you replace. Have you ever searched through hundreds of rows looking for one name or one number? There's a much faster way. Excel's Find feature lets you locate data instantly. Watch this. As you can see, we have a sheet containing lots of data of a company's supply records. We will take this as a reference or example how to use basic Excel tool that makes our work more faster and efficient. Okay, now I'll press Ctrl+F shortcut for Find. Or you can use it from the Home tab above. The Find and Replace window opens. For example, I want to search from this ton of data where electrical is written. What will we do? I'll type electrical and click Find next. Notice how Excel immediately jumps to the matching cell. No scrolling. No guessing. Just instant results. If we click Find next again, it will jump to the next matching cell. Look, now I want to search hardware. I will just type in hardware and click on the Find next. Boom! The active cell directly moves to the cell matching hardware. Now let's make it even more powerful. Suppose I have to make some changes in place of hardware. I need to change it to computer hardware throughout the worksheet. Instead of changing every entry manually, I'll use the shortcut given for replace and press Ctrl+H. This opens the Replace tab. Or you can go to the Home tab and select Replace from there also. In Find What, I'll type hardware. In Replace With, I'll type computer hardware. Now I have two choices. Replace and Replace All. Replace changes one occurrence at a time. Replace all updates every matching entry instantly. Watch careful. I will click on Replace button. Look, it only changed only one cell value. But look what happens when I click on Replace All. OMG! It replaced in every cell in whole worksheet. One click. Every matching value is updated. That's a huge time saver. Now we have two powerful shortcuts in Excel. Ctrl+F and Ctrl+H. Ctrl+F used for Find. Ctrl+H used for Replace. And further moving to our next topic. What if your worksheet suddenly needs extra space for new information? Now let's learn how to add and organize rows and columns without disrupting your data. As your worksheet grows, you'll often need to insert new rows or columns. You don't need to do all the hard work again, arranging and typing all the data again. What if I have to add a row in the worksheet to add data in between the rows or the columns? Watch this. I'll just right-click on this row. Now I'll choose Insert. A brand new row appears and Excel automatically shifts the existing data downward. The same method works for columns. I'll just right-click on this column. Now I'll choose Insert. A brand new column appears, and Excel automatically shifts the existing data on its own. For inserting any new row or column, just click on the row or column number and choose Insert. Excel will provide a blank row or column in between. Need to move an entire row? Select the row, or if you want to move more than one row, move your cursor to the border until you see the four-headed arrow. Look carefully at the screen. The four-headed arrow will appear like this. Hold Shift and drag it to the new location. Notice the insertion line. When I release the mouse, the row moves without overwriting any data. If you do not press the Shift while moving to where there is data in the row already, it will ask if you want to replace the old row values or not. If want to, press Yes. If not, press No. Now let's delete a row. Right-click. and Elite. Excel removes it and shifts the remaining data upward. Simple, clean, and organized. Whenever possible, use Insert and Delete instead of manually cutting and pasting large sections of data. Excel keeps your worksheet structure much more reliable. Let's quick wrap what we have learned till now. Topic 1. Find and replace. Shortcuts for find Ctrl plus F and replace Ctrl plus H. Topic 2. Insert, move, and delete rows and columns. Before we continue to the next lesson, rate us in comments below. We will use it to improve our videos. Please like this video, subscribe to GSF Tech, and press the bell icon to join us on this learning journey. Moving to our next topic now. Not every piece of information needs to be visible all the time. Excel lets you hide rows and columns without deleting them. I'll select this column. Right-click. Choose Hide. Watch closely. The column disappears. But don't worry. The data is still there. To bring it back, I'll select the columns on both sides. Right-click. Choose Unhide. And it's back exactly as it was. The same process works for rows. Pro tip: hiding rows and columns is a great way to simplify reports or temporarily hide supporting calculations while presenting your worksheet. Let's move on to our last topic of Chapter 2, Part 2. Spell check in Excel. Even experienced Excel users make typing mistakes. Fortunately, Excel includes a built-in spell check feature. Simply go to the Review tab. Click Spelling. Or use the shortcut F7. Excel scans your worksheet and highlights possible spelling mistakes. For each suggestion, you can ignore it, change it, or add the word to your dictionary. A quick spell check before sharing your file can make your reports look much more polished and professional. Quick challenge. Let's see what you remember. How do you quickly open Find? Correct. Ctrl plus F. How do you open Replace? Ctrl plus H. And what is the shortcut for spell check? F7. Excellent. Thank you for learning with GSF Tech. Keep learning, keep building, keep innovating. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe to GSF Tech, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming Excel tutorials. I'll see you in the next lesson.